How to do animation in CapCut. Level 1. Click keyframe .on at the start and end of a video. Make a slight change on the start and end keyframe like a zoom or any movement. Here's the finished result. Level 2. Do the same strategy this time, and use click keyframes again. But this time we are getting a little complicated. Click that button for how fast or what flow dude you want your animation to be. Click any of these flows. Here is the finished result. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Bye.